How to remove background of images using Leonardo AI. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will simply go to Leonardo AI app. If you guys don't have, you guys can download it from Play Store. It was available on Play Store. So once we click on Leonardo AI, the first thing you guys will simply sign up, and once you sign up the interface will be look like that, like home, generate, library mode. So simply click on generate. Once we click on generate, here you guys will see image gen, graphic design on right side. So the first thing you guys will simply click on image generator. Now here you need to make sure that it was image generator. After that you guys will see setting options. Simply click on setting. Once we click here you guys will simply select your image ratio. For example, my image that I am removing background was 16:9. Simply click on that. After that, scroll. Here you guys will see on site graphic design. Simply click on the first one. Now select nano banana, and after that in dynamic simply select cinematic or anything that was related to your image. After that click on that plus icon. Here you guys will see image guidance. So simply click on image guidance, or you guys can upload your image. Once you upload your image, after that tell Leonardo AI that remove background from that, and once you do that, after that click on that arrow, and after that your image background will be removed. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.